Hello everyone and welcome back to Idiomas Online. Today we've got the word well 3 times, so let's do it. 1. Well as an adjective. Well as an adjective means to be healthy. For example, if you are really feeling well, you can come with us. It's gonna be great. Number 2. Well as a noun. Well as a noun is a hole made in the earth to reach water. For example, there is a very old well in the park. Number 3. Well as a verb. Well as a verb describes a pooling of water. For example, with tears in her eyes, she walked away. Now you've got 3 meanings for the word well: adjective, noun, or verb. Now just practice and see you the next time. Bye.